Hi Kilted Beauties, welcome back to another video. If you missed the last one, my name's Bridget. I am the soap maker and owner here at Kilted Suds. Today I'm making a special soap for you guys. This is an unscented soap. I've been getting some requests lately for a variety of unscented soaps. This is one that I used to make a few years back. It's called Green Shave. The soap contains French green clay powder, which is a fantastic additive to add to bar soap to give a little bit of slip to your razor when you're shaving. Makes a wonderful replacement for shaving cream or shaving butters if that's something that you don't like to use. It also makes it so that you only need one product in the shower with you. So you can wash yourself, shave your legs, shave your armpits, whatever you need to do with just one product. This soap also does have some green Vibrance mica in it from Nurture Soap. Just adds a little bit of extra interest to it so that it's not one plain simple color. And let's go make some green shave bar soap.